Antonio Campbell, who is the President and CEO of EmbraerX. Now, Antonio, tell me, what is the collaboration that you are doing with Uber at the moment and your urban mobility systems?
Yeah, what we call Uber Elevate.
Yeah.
It's a combination of several companies that are trying to expedite this new ecosystem that is urban air transportation. And we are part of that. So we are building the vehicle.
Yeah.
And everything that's around, serves and everything that's around. So it's a great opportunity to make it happen.
Yeah. So tell me about the eVTOL, about the aircraft. What are its features?
Yeah, the aircraft is an aircraft that can carry 4 people plus a pilot at the beginning, because the aircraft is meant to be autonomous, but not at the first moment. It's gonna be gradually autonomous. No? And we don't disclose yet all the details of the aircraft, but we support what Uber Elevate is saying, that it's about 60 miles, 150 miles per hour. So it's in that the ballpark, but we are not disclosing our design characteristics yet, because we are in a very early stage.
And what are the biggest challenges? Is it more the technologies or the infrastructure?
So there are several challenges. All of them can be overcome. Everything is available now. It's time to make it happen. On the technology side, so we have electrical systems with the batteries that might define the capability of the vehicles. We have the autonomous, that is very important. And other than that, we have the air traffic management that should allow many aircraft to fly at the same time. Everything that is around, like what we call vertiports, where the aircraft will land and take off, and other things that have to be built, is being taken care with several companies around. So things are running, are happening, and we are quite confident that it's going to happen sooner than what everybody expects.
And how will the electrical takeoff and landing, how will that work?
Yeah, so there is a principle that, for instance, the vehicle that we have announced is one of the options that we have. We have some configurations of the product that we need to define yet better. So, but the one that we have chosen, what they call lift plus cruise, because you have some distributed propulsion system that makes, let's say, the aircraft rover, and then you have another propulsion that makes it go to cruise. So you make a movement that you change from hover to cruise, and this is how the vehicle is, and several propulsions, rotors, so it's like that. No.
And when will I be able to take an air taxi?
Yeah, we are not disclosing our timeline today, but we all support what Uber Elevate is saying, that it might be available, an aircraft, experimental aircraft, to start all the tests with passengers and everything by end of 2020. And certification of those aircraft can happen as early as 2023. So this is the timeline that's being announced by Uber, and we think it's possible.
Well, Antonio, I cannot wait to be a passenger in one of these taxis and to hear more about it. Thank you so much for talking to us.
You'll be very welcome. You'll be invited to come to our flights.
I've got that on camera.
Yeah.